What's the dumbest way someone has tried to cheat the system? When I was grading essays, I noticed something off. One of my students had turned in an essay that was perfectly written. I'm talking flawless grammar, deep analysis, and vocabulary that even I had to Google. There was just one tiny little problem. He was in 4th grade. This kid didn't even know how to spell Wednesday last week. And suddenly, he's writing at a graduate level? Yeah, no. So, I kept reading. And then, at the very bottom of the page, I saw it. He forgot to delete the original author's name. This kid straight up copied and pasted an essay from the internet and didn't even bother to cover his tracks. So the next day, I called him up to my desk and said, "Hey, wanna explain this?" And without hesitation, he hit me with, "I don't know what you're talking about." "Oh, we're playing that game?" So I pointed at the name at the bottom and asked, "Then who's this, your ghostwriter?" And this kid doubled down. He folded his arms, looked me dead in the eyes, and said, "You're violating my human rights." I had to pause for a second. Did this 4th grader just try to hit me with a legal defense? I told him, "I'll give you one last chance to tell the truth." And then he hit me with the most confident lie of all time. "You're just mad that I write better than you." Bro, so I failed him. 0. Done. I thought, all right, lesson learned. He won't try that again. Wrong. Next week, we had another essay. And the second I saw his name on the paper, I already knew. Didn't even have to read it. Straight to the AI detector. And it said it was entirely written by AI. I turned my head to look at him. He was already looking at me. I held up the result, and without missing a beat, he just sighed and said, "Yeah, that's crazy. I guess some kids never learn."